Hey guys, what's going on? Eddie Rockensock here, bringing you Wilson County's real estate market update, kind of what's happened year over year in February, because some shocking numbers in here. So new listings down 17% from last year at this time. I think a little bit of that is the ice storm, right? We had a little bit of a break. New under contracts, surprising, actually went up 259 new under contract, so up 12% from this year last time. Still 130 or so short of our new listings, so we're still adding to that active inventory. I got two really surprising numbers for you. One's our active inventory, 723, up 24% from last year at this time. Whole lot more options out there, 25% more options out there. And I'll tell you why that's significant here in a second. But closings, this was my second standout number. Only 132 closings in Wilson County in all of February, down 25% from last year at this time. So not only is our listings down, our under contracts went up, but our closings, all of that is adding to our inventory, which will bring me to the last kind of major shift that I'm seeing: days on market and month of supply. Days on market is up 34% and months of supply is up 59%. We are over 6 months of inventory currently on our market. Now, what that means for us, right? I think we're still in that buyer's market, right? Our buyers have a lot more options right now because there's not a lot of buyers. Obviously there's some, things are moving, but we don't have as many buyers as what we typically have coming out right now. I think there's so many people on the fence waiting for that interest rate. I'm just gonna wait another month because it might go a little bit lower. Wait another month, and we're gonna have so many of those people. If these interest rates do drop or come down even more, especially significant, I think we'll see a bunch of those buyers coming off that fence really, really quickly. Now, luckily, our active inventory has gone up so much, we've got some inventory to absorb those. But if we have our normal spring rush, especially around Wilson County with people trying to get in for the end of school or to register for next school year, I think we're going to get, maybe some of these buyers have a hard time finding what they want. Comes to my last couple of stats that I always like to share. Average sales price, $581,000, which is down 1%. We've kind of seen this plateau for the last couple of years as our interest rates have gone up. So we're still seeing that stay about that 1% down, 1% up. I think overall, the entire 2025, we saw maybe a 3% in all of our price range in appreciation. Under 500, we probably saw 6 or 7. From 600 to 800,000, we probably saw it pretty flat, and over $1 million, we probably saw it come down 1 or 2%. And how that balances out. And then the last little piece of advice that I like to share: average list price in Wilson County, $774,000. Just shows you how much is still new construction. That's up 3% from last year at this time. But when we are we're $190,000 difference between our average list price and our average sales price. That gap seems to be, over these last 6 months, steadily getting a little bit bigger. So buyers, if you're out there, I would say start looking now. Start seeing what you have, because you're probably not going to have more options than what you have right now. Sellers, stay patient, they're coming. I hope you guys have a good rest of the week, and we'll see you here soon.